Explaining concepts clearly is something we all struggle with, whether we're students, professionals, or content creators. Sometimes what we want to share doesn't need a long video or a detailed course. It just needs a structured, easy-to-follow presentation that visually communicates our thoughts. That's where presentations come in. A well-designed presentation can make your ideas easier to understand and more impactful. So in today's video, we're trying something a little different. Recently, I came across Ed Sheeran's song Sapphire, and it got me thinking about how beautifully it captures the spirit of Indian culture. That gave me an idea. What if I create a presentation about the diverse cultures of India, but instead of creating a usual static presentation, this time I want to make something dynamic, something that feels alive. To do that, I'll be using two AI tools, ChatGPT and VoxDeck AI, the world's first AI-powered dynamic presentation tool. Unlike traditional tools that rely on templates, VoxDeck AI introduces features like motion covers, 3D charts, and AI avatars that make your slides look more interactive and professional, all while keeping the design clear and structured. I'll first use ChatGPT to organize my thoughts and prepare a detailed prompt for each slide, and then move that prompt into VoxDeck AI to see how it brings everything together. All right, as you can see, our prompt is ready, so let's head over to VoxDeck AI and see how it transforms our idea into a presentation. Now that we've copied the prompt from ChatGPT, let's move on to the main platform, VoxDeck.ai. This website is designed specifically for creating clean, dynamic, and visually engaging presentations with the help of AI. As soon as we open the website, we're greeted with a very simple and minimal interface. On the left side, we can view or reopen our previous projects, and if we want to start something new, we just need to click on New Presentation. Alternatively, we can directly paste our prompt into the home section to begin right away. If you scroll down a bit, you'll also see a variety of sample presentations. These can be great for inspiration or for understanding different layout styles. For instance, if I open one of these examples, you can see it includes animated graphs, smooth transitions, and even 3D elements that make the slides look more interactive and modern. Now let's go back and start our own project. Here, I'll paste the prompt that we just created in ChatGPT into the text box. If you have any additional files related to your topic, you can also attach them here. The platform supports several file types, including PDF, PNG, and CSV, among others. But for now, I'll keep it simple and move ahead without uploading anything. Next, we can choose a theme for our presentation. There are multiple ready-to-use templates, such as modern, minimalist, business, creative, and more. You can pick the one that matches your topic or simply leave it blank and let the AI automatically select a suitable theme based on your content. Then there's an option called animation mode. If you enable it, VoxDeck AI will add smooth transitions and text animations to the presentation, making your presentation look more polished and dynamic. Now, using the chat box on the right, I can simply upload the images I want and give a short prompt asking the AI to insert them into the slide. Within moments, the visuals are added exactly where I need them. Once everything looks good and you're satisfied with the presentation, you can easily export it as a PDF to save it, or click on the share option to generate a link and share it with others based on your privacy preferences. All right, so our PDF has been completed, and here's the final output, neatly designed and fully ready to use. Alright, so we've come to the end of this video. Now that we've explored the platform, let me share my honest experience using it. The first thing I really appreciate about this tool is the cinematic visual effects. The animations, whether it's in the text, transitions, or slides, feel smooth and well-balanced, giving every presentation a professional and modern look. The next thing that stood out to me is the 3D interactive elements. Instead of using static, flat graphs, the platform can turn your data into 3D visuals that feel more engaging and easier to understand, which adds a nice touch when you're presenting complex information. And lastly, there's one feature I find especially helpful, the digital presenter option. It's great for people who prefer not to speak on camera because the platform lets you add an AI avatar that can present your slides on your behalf in a natural and confident way. Overall, I think what makes this tool interesting is how it combines design, interactivity, and accessibility, making presentations easier to create and more visually appealing.